With Transend, you can find the exact parts you need when you need them. Order parts for transmissions, differentials, AC, and more. 24/7, 365 days a year with shipping same or next day. With advanced search capabilities, finding the right part is easy. Search parts for a specific vehicle by using its license plate, VIN, or year, make, and model, plus other vehicle components like engine, drive type, and more. Search for parts by transmission. Search for parts with an interactive diagram. And with this improved filter and categorical drilled down capability, it's even easier to narrow a keyword search down to the exact part. Parts ordering is fast and simple with Transend's tool. See a part's estimated delivery date, view order history, create an order template to rapidly reorder frequently purchased parts, or save items to your cart and check out later with the Saved Carts tool, just to name a few. Transend integrates with shop management software such as ALLDATA, Mitchell 1, RO Writer, Parts Tech, and more to help streamline your parts ordering process. With the Transend Rewards program, you can earn points every time you purchase the parts and products you need to order anyway. Use your points to redeem incredible prizes. It's that easy. Visit Transend to get started.